This video guide will provide you with detailed recommendations on how to effectively remove the ransomware that is called Sncip. Sncip. This is the ransomware type of infection that currently targets many Windows computers today all over the world. The ransomware is able to encrypt the files and make them totally unusable. The ransomware encrypts the data and then after the encryption is successful, adds a special extension to the files. The purpose of this ransomware is to force its victims into paying the special ransom for file restoration. On the other hand, paying the ransom definitely does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. Pretty soon, customers realize that something bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. They simply cannot open the data anymore. The ransomware adds this special Sncip extension to all the files that have been damaged by this particular ransomware. Paying the ransom, however, does not guarantee the file restoration. What you could do is to go to the task manager of your computer and carefully look for the suspicious processes that could be running in the background. For instance, we can now see this random process with long random name. You need to right-click on it and end its task in order to stop the further file encryption. This will help you to at least save some of your files from being damaged. To remove this ransomware, I strongly advise that you use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. You may get the latest version of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware through the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program using this green download button, and then start researching your device with its help. Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and removal. Initially, the program, as I said, is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is given here. Click on Start Scan button. Wait until the anti-malware database is successfully updated. The program begins researching your system, and at the end of scan you will see the full summary of threats that were found on your computer. The good feature about Combo Cleaner Premium version is that it has got the anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer, and the data in these folders will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But once again, this feature is the component of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed. Then at the end of scan you will see the full information about the threats found during the scan. You will be able to remove these threats manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license to delete these threats automatically from your computer.